In this video, you'll learn how to use Integrate.io to pull data from Salesforce Marketing Cloud, transform that data, and write it back into Salesforce automatically. Integrate.io is a low-code data integration platform that enables teams to build, manage, and automate ETL and reverse ETL pipelines across various systems. Many teams need to extract campaign engagement data from Marketing Cloud, transform it into usable insights, and sync the results back into Salesforce objects. This helps to unify marketing engagement data with CRM records, enabling better targeting, personalization, and data-driven decision-making within your Salesforce account. We start inside the Integrate.io dashboard where pipelines and integrations are created. You can connect to Salesforce Marketing Cloud easily using the Marketing Cloud REST API integration. Let's walk through how to set it up step by step. Start by adding a new source component to your pipeline. Begin by adding a new source component to your pipeline. Select the REST API source from the available components. In the REST API configuration, choose Connection as the input type. This allows you to reuse authentication and connection settings. From the connection dropdown, select Marketing Cloud, REST. This is a pre-built integration for Salesforce Marketing Cloud APIs. Next, enter your Salesforce Marketing Cloud credentials. These come from an installed package configured with server-to-server OAuth access. This includes name, client ID, client secret, etc., as you can see in the image. Once provided, click on Create Connection. Once the connection is set, define the API endpoint you want to pull data from. For example, you can fetch rows from a data extension using a GET request. Set the response type to JSON and preview the data to confirm the API call is working correctly. You can optionally add transformation steps to clean, flatten, or map fields before loading the data. The platform provides 220+ build and transformation to support a wide variety of use cases. In this example, I have chosen an aggregate transformation by clicking on the Add Component menu. Provide the details of the data modification required as per your use case and save it. The data will be modified as per the conditions that you applied. Next, connect to your Salesforce destination in the drag-and-drop interface. For this, hover over to the Add Component button on the top right region of the canvas and click on the Configure options. Here we select the Salesforce object where the data will be stored. This could be a standard object or a custom object depending on your use case. Now we map the transform fields from Integrate.io to the appropriate Salesforce fields. This mapping ensures that each transform value is written into the correct Salesforce column. After the data mapping is configured, we can schedule the pipeline to run automatically. This allows Marketing Cloud data to be automatically synchronized with Salesforce. Head over to the Schedule menu through the left side navigation menu for this. At this point, the pipeline is fully configured. Now that you've seen how to build a pipeline from Marketing Cloud to Salesforce using Integrate.io, let's go over a few best practices that help ensure your data pipelines remain reliable, scalable, and easy to maintain. When syncing marketing and CRM systems, it's important to think beyond just moving data. A well-designed ETL pipeline ensures clean customer data, accurate campaign reporting, and very smooth collaboration between marketing and sales teams. One of the most important best practices is standardizing your data model across both systems. Marketing Cloud often stores data in data extensions, while Salesforce organizes information into objects like leads, contacts, and campaign members. Ensuring consistent field names and data formats makes your ETL pipelines easier to manage and reduces the risk of transformation errors. Instead of moving full datasets every time, it's best to use incremental data loads. By syncing only new or updated records, you significantly reduce API consumption and pipeline runtime. Incremental pipelines also make your integration more scalable as your marketing data grows. Maintaining data quality is critical when transferring marketing data into Salesforce. Before loading records, validate required fields and check for duplicates. You may also want to normalize fields like email addresses or phone numbers. Integrate.io allows you to add transformation and validation steps to ensure that only clean and usable data reaches Salesforce. Finally, make sure you actively monitor your pipelines. Integrate.io provides monitoring tools and logging capabilities that help you track pipeline performance and quickly identify any failures. Setting alerts and periodically reviewing pipeline runs ensures your Marketing Cloud to Salesforce data sync stays reliable and production ready. By following these best practices, you can build a reliable ETL workflow that keeps Marketing Cloud and Salesforce data synchronized. With Integrate.io, marketing and sales teams can operate on accurate, up-to-date customer data while minimizing manual effort and operational overhead.